Yung nasa likod niya ba? Ulitin natin. Wala eh. Yung nasa likod ng card. Yan ang... What's that? What's that? Aday, kakain-kain mo yan. Aray, kumakain ng ano yung anak niya. Nauna, sabi ni Romel, ipicturean mo yan. Why? Why you want something? Yan, lalo. Ayan. Ang tawa niya sa kuwan mo? Kunan mo? Ang tawa niya, ganda. Kaya puro pula. Why? Why you are still with Russia still now, huh?
I told,
Hold it.
ito service ko, speak to live agent.
Ayan o.
Consider hours of it was 65 days site ID. Company address,
Hold.